A manufacturing operation is a very complex one. It involves procurement of raw materials, storage, multi-stage processing, maintenance, safety, health and environment management, quality assurance, dispatch and sales of finished goods. Such a complex operation is carried out with the help of real-time control systems, connected to more than few 100,000 sensors and actuators, and also myriad IT and OT applications for management of functions, such as planning, scheduling, quality, maintenance, etc. In any typical manufacturing plant, all these applications have more than 10 years of data stored. As such, the manufacturing industry is sitting on a gold mine of data that lies almost fully unutilized. The industry has been spending on an average about $100 billion per year over the last 10 years in information and automation technologies, or in other terms, IT and OT technologies. Manufacturing is a real-time operation. Thousands of critical decisions are to be made correctly, based on facts, and most importantly, at the right time, within the opportunity window. However, industry, today, depends on post-mortem reports, hard-coded system integration projects, Excel sheets, emails, phone calls, and numerous coordination meetings to take all the critical decisions. This leads to inefficiencies, major losses and accidents. dDriven Unleash leverages the full potential of this trillion-dollar gold mine of data, which otherwise is locked in various organizational silos. Leveraging this data stream from sensors, IT and OT systems, dDriven Data Platform, Unleash, offers a real-time digital cyber replica of the entire manufacturing operations that would answer, "What's happening now?" Drill down to the root cause in case of any anomaly, predict what may happen in future, all of which expressed in dollar terms, so that businesses and operations can prioritize their actions. Unleashing the full potential of data has major impact on the industry and society. For example, just for one single mid-size processing plant, such as a 300,000 barrel per day petroleum refinery, at the present cost of crude oil, just 1% improvement of operations cost can mean $60 to $80 million improvement in margin. 1% improvement just in energy can mean $7 to $8 million. Society as a whole will benefit from reduction in emission and accidents.